A moment to remember. PM Modi maintains India's global presence in Nigeria. Prime Minister Narendra Modi added one prouder chapter to India's diplomatic success story when the esteemed Grand Commander of the Order of the Nigeria (GCON) was bestowed upon him during his official visit to Nigeria. Thus, he emerged as the first and the only foreign leader to have received this dignity since the Queen of Great Britain in 1969, an exceptional recognition of India's stature in the global arena. In his acceptance speech, PM Modi humbled himself by dedicating the award to the people of India and highlighting the strong bond between the two nations. A visit so far back for an Indian Prime Minister 17 years ago, this visit will surely deepen the relations between India and Nigeria. Nigerian President Bola Tinubu appreciated PM Modi for his dedication to democratic principles and excellence he displayed as a leader, as indicated by success in winning 3 consecutive elections in this vast country called India. The ritual welcome at Abuja's Asor Rock Villa and the concomitant symbolic key to the city shared with Modi by Minister Nyesom Izonovo Waig are as a demonstration of the country's trust and respect for the leader from the nation. This honor represents a deepening connection between India and Nigeria, opening doors for enhanced cooperation and future prosperity. Adding to this pride, PM Modi will also be recognized in Dominica with their highest national honor for his pivotal role in supporting the country during the COVID-19 crisis. His tour continues with a landmark visit to Brazil for the G20 Leaders Summit, concluding in Goiânia, marking the first such visit by an Indian PM in over 50 years. These acknowledgements underscores India's impactful global presence and PM Modi's leadership in fostering international partnerships. PM Modi and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu sought ways to boost collaboration, especially on the defense, energy, technology and trade sectors, and joint actions in the fight against terrorism, piracy and drug trafficking followed.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.